Hey everybody, this is Gino Preps back. As you can see, I'm going to the historic rock church and fly over there out in Beach Glen in Mars Hill. But we seem to have a little trouble. A whole bunch of birds. So I'm going to talk you through this. This is crazy. I was going out to get some beautiful footage right there. And what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to hover and then I'm going to scroll back around by panning to the right, and we're going to try to get a 360. Then we're going to fly over the rock church. So you're going to notice here there's going to be a bird right there that just flew by. Another bird flew by just a few seconds later. There are birds all behind us, around us, on top of us. They're not, a lot of them aren't flying as the drone's turning. They're not getting in front of the camera so you can see them. They're kind of staying back and flying circles above us and below us. And it's a little scary when you got a very, very expensive drone there and you're like 350 feet up in the air. And you know what I mean. So I'm sitting here hoping the things will go away, and they don't, and I decide to return to home. So you can see the rock church. We were going to circle and do a flyover and orbit for a while and give you some zoom ins and stuff. Now watch another bird here. As we're starting to land this thing, here comes another one. There you go. So you see how close they were. They were just flying all around. But anyway, I'm going to go back and get that footage here in a few days and put it up for you. Wanted you to see this. It was very exhilarating, to say the least. So there's old Gino and his daughter at the car, and we're going to land this thing. So we'll talk to you next time, and we'll bring you some more drone footage. Comment and like, subscribe, do all that good stuff if you want to see more of this, or if you don't like it, just tell me that too. But post in the comments. All right. Until next time. Talk to you later. Gino Preps is out for now.